Did you know that more than 4,000 years ago, there existed a city with advanced drainage systems, organized streets, and urban planning so precise that even some modern cities struggle to match it? And here's the most surprising part. Today, artificial intelligence is helping us rebuild that lost world in stunning detail. Imagine walking through an ancient city, not as ruins, but as it once truly looked. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we're traveling back in time. Welcome to AI-recreated ancient worlds, Mohenjo-daro. Hidden beneath the sands of history, Mohenjo-daro was one of the largest and most advanced cities of the ancient Indus Valley Civilization. Located in present-day Pakistan, this city flourished around 2500 BCE, long before many famous civilizations even began. Today, what remains are bricks, ruins, and unanswered questions. But thanks to AI, we are now able to reconstruct Mohenjo-daro in ways never imagined before, bringing its streets, homes, and daily life back to life. When AI models analyze the layout of Mohenjo-daro, one thing becomes clear. This wasn't just a city, it was a masterpiece of planning. The streets were arranged in a perfect grid system, almost like modern cities today. Houses were built with uniform bricks, and entire neighborhoods were carefully designed. AI reconstructions show wide roads intersecting at right angles, creating an organized urban environment that feels surprisingly modern. Even more impressive, each home had access to water and sanitation. At a time when most of the world was still developing basic settlements, Mohenjo-daro was already thinking about city planning on a large scale. Now here's where things get truly fascinating. Mohenjo-daro had one of the world's earliest and most advanced drainage systems. AI simulations reveal a network of covered drains running beneath the streets, designed to carry wastewater away from homes. These drains were connected to individual houses, meaning people had private bathing areas and proper waste disposal. Think about that. Thousands of years ago, people here were using systems similar to modern plumbing. AI helps us visualize how water flowed through the city, how waste was managed, and how cleanliness was prioritized. It's not just impressive, it's revolutionary for its time. One of the most iconic structures in Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. AI reconstructions have brought this structure back to life in incredible detail. The Great Bath was a large, watertight pool surrounded by steps and rooms, possibly used for religious or ceremonial purposes. With carefully placed bricks and a sophisticated water supply system, this structure highlights the engineering skills of the people. Walking through it virtually feels like entering a sacred and important space, one that held deep cultural significance. AI doesn't just rebuild buildings, it recreates life. Based on artifacts, tools, and historical patterns, we can now imagine daily life in Mohenjo-daro. Busy streets filled with traders, craftsmen working with pottery and metals, and families going about their routines. Markets likely sold grains, textiles, and handmade goods. People wore simple but practical clothing, and their lives revolved around trade, agriculture, and community. AI adds movement, sound, and interaction, turning a silent ruin into a living city. Despite its advanced design, Mohenjo-daro was eventually abandoned. But why? This remains one of history's biggest mysteries. Some theories suggest climate change, drying rivers, or natural disasters. Others believe shifting trade routes may have played a role. AI models analyze environmental data and historical patterns to simulate possible scenarios, but no single answer has been confirmed. This uncertainty makes Mohenjo-daro even more fascinating. A city so advanced, yet still holding secrets we haven't fully uncovered. So why is AI so important in recreating ancient worlds like Mohenjo-daro? Because it transforms history from static ruins into dynamic experiences. Instead of imagining what the city looked like, we can now see it, walk through it, understand it. AI combines archaeology, engineering, and data to fill in missing pieces of the past. For people around the world, this means history becomes more than just information. It becomes an experience. It connects us to civilizations that lived thousands of years ago, showing us how advanced, intelligent, and innovative they truly were. Mohenjo-daro may be silent today, but through AI, its story speaks louder than ever before.